Hello and welcome back, guys. So today what we will be doing is that we will be uh, basically calculating the mean of digits in a number. Okay, so we are given 1 2 3 4 5, right? So we need to find out the result. All right, so the result will be, so we add all the digits and that will be something, and we divide that by the length of that number of digits. Okay, so since we have 1 2 3 4 5, the number is 15. If we add all of them together individually, and if what will be the length of it, it will be 5, right? So when we get the average of it, it will be sum divided by the length of it. Okay, so what we can do is we convert the number into a string. Okay, so our string will be strn, right? And then after that, what will happen? So we can do next is we can turn it into a list. So our list will be a list of string, right? And then after that, what we can do is now we get a list of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. It will be in a list, but it will be a string data type, right? So we can convert it. So what we can do is so for all the list, so we can convert it into a int. First of all, I, right, for I in li. Okay, so for all the list we can convert it into a list, right? And then what we can do is now we can find the sum of it. So our summation will be sum of all the list, right? And then we can find the length of the thing as well. So our length of the number of the number of digits, right? So we can do something like length of string, right? So now what we can do is return sum divide by our length, but we need to, yeah, that's been converted into a string, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 will be converted into a string, and then we just get the length of it, right? So that will give us a int value, and that should be okay, right? That should be okay. Let's just test it out. Ooh, okay. So it's just complaining to be over here. All right. What we can do is, since that's there, what I can do is I can just use a for loop, right? So for I in li, what I can do is maybe another list or something. New underscore li equals to blank, something like that, right? And then what I can do is just add it over there, right? So new underscore li dot append int I. Okay, I don't even need to do this. You know why? Because what I can do is I can just do a list comprehension I for I in li, right? And then now I can just, since I don't want to reuse I can just do new underscore li. Right. So now this should work. So mean of digits and then 1 2 3 4 5. This should work. But my elegant solution is not this, rather this. Okay, I'm just doing the same thing but in one line. Similar thing, what I'm doing is convert it into a string, then I get the list out of it, then after that I'm converted into a int for every item in that list, and then after that I'm doing a summation of it and then dividing by the length of string n. Okay, so it's just doing this thing but in a single line. Okay, so if I were to do something like that, right, I get the same solution, right? Okay, maybe I was doing something wrong. What if I had done this? Should be 1, let's say, right? Because I had the same function definition. I just don't want it to be incorrect, right? So it's still missing a lot of test case, that's for sure. But once I have the thing, pro thing, then I'll be all right. Okay, so I want the test case as well. Okay, see, seems like it's working, right? So that's the solution for this problem. Thank you very much.